Welcome! Today we'll solve a pressure unit conversion problem, converting 590 millimeters of mercury, mmHg, to atmospheres, atm. Let's approach this step by step. First, we need to know the conversion factor. 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. We can set up our conversion as a fraction to cancel out units. We'll start with 590 millimeters of mercury and multiply by the conversion factor of 1 atmosphere over 760 millimeters of mercury. Notice how the units of millimeters of mercury cancel out on top and bottom, leaving us with atmospheres as our final unit. Now, we just need to divide 590 by 760. Let's divide. 590 divided by 760 equals 0.776. Rounding to 3 decimal places, our final answer is 0.776 atmospheres. To visualize this, let's see how our pressure compares to 1 standard atmosphere. Here's a pressure gauge where the outer ring represents 1 full atmosphere, and this green arc shows our pressure of 0.776 atmospheres, or about 78% of a standard atmosphere. And that's how we convert 590 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Remember the key conversion factor. 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. This type of conversion is commonly used in weather reports, medical readings, and various scientific applications.